Dearest heart, nobody can keep you unhappy if you don't want to be unhappy. Stop giving somebody else the responsibility for your joy. If you will start to do what you can do and stop worrying about what you cannot do, God can get involved and make some miraculous things happen in your life. I know that hurts are deep and painful, but we have to be very careful about just sitting in our boat and nursing our wounds for too long. There is a time to grieve, and there is a time you have to move on. People will disappoint you. Life will disappoint you. Things will happen that you did not expect to happen. And you have to believe in the power of God and be able to say, I can do whatever I need to do through Christ who strengthens me. God will never allow more to come to us than we can bear. So it's foolish to say, I cannot stand this. I cannot do this. We don't always stand why, but we know God has His reasons and we can get through it. 333. Your greatness is coming alive. Your light is shining brighter. Nothing or nobody can stop what's meant for you. Move towards your vision, it must manifest.